How to change FPS Fortnite. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change FPS on Fortnite. To adjust the FPS settings in Fortnite, start by launching the game and waiting for it to load the main menu. Then locate the settings menu by clicking on the three horizontal lines usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Look for options like settings or video settings within the menu. Inside the settings, you will likely find a setting labeled frame rate limit or something similar. Click on this option and select your desired frame rate from choices like 30, 60, or unlimited FPS. Finally, apply the changes and exit the settings menu. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.